Welcome to Advanced Tab Setup. Now that you have a new portal set up and ready to go, there are some key areas that will be essential to run through to ensure a smooth start. These areas can be set up under your Advanced tab, Administration. You'll see both DC settings as an area to be set up, as well as portal settings. Today we'll be running through the mandatory areas that must be set up before your portal is a go. There are many other options we can run through. Address information. Here the addresses needed for the different areas and uses in BlastRamp will need to be entered to show up on the proper BlastRamp documents. Your DC description is the way you'd like your company name to be displayed. Physical address, the address you would like to see on the packing slip, return slip, and is generally the address of the distribution center you're sending goods out from. Invoicing bill to is the address the warehouse can send an invoice to for the work done. And invoicing remit to is the address you would like retailers and the end customer to send checks to for payment of goods. Then we have COD remit to, which is the address you would like your COD checks to be returned to. Note, there is a commissions option at the bottom, which is for the 3PL warehouses to bill for services and generate a commission invoice to a secondary party. Once your addresses are entered and or edited, you may press the update button at the bottom. Back to Advanced Tab Administration, we'll go through your email notifications. Here the email addresses of your staff and the warehouse staff can be entered to aid in the management of the many functions BlastRamp provides. If your recipient email address is to the right here, all the processes done in the system will automatically dispatch an email letting them know what work was done. One other area to fill out is your general area here. There's several options to run through with many different scenarios that you can set up in our system. The mandatory one is your currency and taxes, where the general currency of the system will have to be set up as a default here, as well as your product tax and freight tax. Back to the Advanced Tab Administration, we'll head down to your portal settings. External reps. If you're not creating your reps as users in the system, and will have someone entering their orders instead, entering their name as an external rep will allow you to track their sales orders and will take each rep to the orders for commissions and reporting. If your reps are entered as users, the system will automatically enter them into the proper drop-down when creating an order. Portal settings, inventory categories. Here you can set up your first quality and defective inventory qualities. You want to do this before your returns and orders are processed. And lastly, your price lists. Here you can create the very different price lists you want for orders, reports, production, etc. A general price list will need to be made, and we'll set up this code here will be set up as your general default currency that we went through under Administration General. The remainders you can upload costs, you can upload retail, anything that you'd like to do reporting on. Thank you. For any more further instructions on setting up your Advanced tab, please contact our support system or support staff.